YouTube, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Officer Trey. Thank you so much for tuning in, bringing us back a brand new video. And sorry I'm starting the vlog so late in the day because I had a pretty rough morning. I didn't go to school until later because I woke up extremely late. So now we are on the way home from, all the way to school from lunch. Entering our second home.
Good, how you doing? I would report for 1990 You what now? I would report for 1990
So I didn't tell you guys, Cody got a new car. He actually got it for free. It's a 1990 Honda Accord. And I wish he was here so I could show him with it, but he's not. But here is his 1990 Honda Accord. It's a 2.2 version of it, and you know, it's not too bad. We're gonna stance the fuck out of this thing, and it's gonna be a really nice car at the end of it. We're all gonna be working on it together. It's a group project for Cody. But here's the inside of it. Needs some work, but hey, free is free, right? We almost got it running. But I mean, it needs some work, needs some interior work. We got the dash pulled off, got the glove box pulled off. We got the radio taken out. Dash is actually in a really great condition for 1990. There's no cracks, no tears. There's a little tear right here in the seats, but I'm pretty sure his plan is to completely renew the interior of the vehicle. But our plan is, all in all, just to completely stance this out together. I know body work, so I'm gonna do a lot of body work. I'm gonna repaint the car completely. They're gonna work on the engine bay, and they're gonna work on the interior of the car, and you know, try to get it running. And you know, all in all, I think it's going to be a really good project car for Cody and for the group. Build us together. And you know, I was trying to pull the Accord up. I'm going to move the Impala, 63 Impala. I'm going to move the Jeep. We got to actually, it's not running, so we got to pull it up here. So we got to get the Impala running, move the Impala, and then get the Accord up. Here's the 3000 GT Mitsubishi. Almost said Eclipse. Mitsubishi 3000 GT. SL.
It's got the intake off.
He took the intake off.
Right,
he wants to repaint that. Oh shit, that's a huge big ass intake.
That's her throttle body right there.
Gonna go ahead and move the charger out of the way. Well, Caleb and I got the dash together. We got everything hooking up, so looking a lot better in here. Now we're gonna go pick up Cody, the owner of the vehicle, and we're gonna go and get him so we can get the keys to move it, because we can't move it without the keys. We couldn't find it.
Hurry up, hurry up. Hope we didn't turn this way.
Here's the owner of the car.
What's up?
And how do you like your car, Cody?
I'd like it more if it ran.
Oh, it can't run if it's tired. You know what I mean? It's
Look,
tired.
It even tells me how much gas I have.
Even when it's off?
I think so.
Oh, that's pretty good. What do I want to do with this tomorrow? never been so alone before in my life. I was thinking about myself and I don't know what to say. I'm all alone and I want to look at Cody's face, but he left me here, all alone just to cry. Don't know what to do, or be with him or rather die.
Wow, Trey. It's my car and he's making me sit in the passenger seat.
Hey, are you in drive?
What?
Are you in drive?
No, I'm in neutral.
Okay, same thing.
I'm in neutral.
I said same thing.
Oh, hell, I'm moving.
Start turning this way, to the left.
Oh, I'm fucking turning, motherfucker.
Trey, you're driving.
It's running! Ah!
Okay, whenever I have to brake, you have to brake too, okay?
Okay.
Just be very, very pretentious of that. If not, you're gonna slam that car into the back of my car.
Oh, I know.
Sitting on these two. 1, 2. We'll just be sitting on these two. 4 bolts. Pick it up.
Yeah. Oh, I've been recording for 8 minutes. Huh, where's Caleb? Oh, there he is.
No, that's the alarm to go.
Yeah.
My homeboys will get you, pay you on the 33rd. 2 pints of lean have me slurring on my words. Undertaker car, triple black dropper. Stomach full of money, so hundreds I'm a bird. All the hoods love us like the